The Nokia G22 could be the best friend you've always wanted. It is reliable, easy to fix, and won't break the bank. HMD Global, the current holder of the Nokia brand, has partnered with iFixit to make repairs easy, even for ordinary users. Whether you need to replace the battery, which takes only 5 minutes, fix a cracked screen, which takes just 20 minutes, or tackle severe issues that might take 90 minutes. The Nokia G22 comes with a repair instruction and tools to help you out. Replacing the mains charging ports will cost you only $23, while replacing the display will set you back $54. The Nokia G22 isn't just easy to fix, it's also packed with decent low-cost features. Android 12 operating system, Unisoc P606 processor, 4GB of RAM, a 6.5-inch display, 64GB of internal storage, a 50MP rear-facing camera, a fingerprint scanner, a 5000 mAh battery, and IP52 rating for water and dust resistance. With a battery that lasts 3 days of normal usage between charges, you can keep going without constantly having to plug in. And if you are feeling a bit adventurous, you can opt for 5 years worth of replacement parts for DIY project instead of the regular warranty. Plus, you will get 3 years of regular security updates and 2 years of major Android updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.